Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today we're going to smoke some chicken halves on the pit barrel cooker. Stay tuned. Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. If you like what you see today, please give us a thumbs up, hit that bell and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. Let's get into this. So today we're going to be cooking on the pit barrel cooker. It has been forever since we've cooked on the pit barrel cooker, and we decided to bring it out today. It's a beautiful day outside, and so we're going to roll some smoke on that. And what better way to bring it back out than to do some chicken halves. So what we've got here is 4 chicken halves, and what I've done is I just bought 2 whole chickens. I spatchcocked the chickens, which basically means just cutting the backbone out of the back of the chickens, removing the backbone, and then I'll crack that sternum or that breastbone, flatten that chicken out to expose the rest of it, and then just split it right down the middle, creating those 2 halves of chicken. So I had 2 chickens, now I've got 4 halves. And now we're fixing to season these birds up. So let's do that now. What I'm going to use for seasoning is, the first thing I'm going to put on there is Meat Church's lemon pepper. So that's going to add a nice little citrus note. Then we're going to come over the top with Whiskey Bent Blazing Bird. And that's going to give a little savory note to it with a little bit of heat. So let's do the lemon pepper first. I did this combination on some wings the other day, and we liked them a lot, so I'm going to use it today on these chicken halves. We're going to do the underside first. Go ahead and get them covered with the lemon pepper. Also, when you're breaking down your whole chickens into chicken halves, give everything a good look and make sure there's nothing that's undesirable that you want to have on your chickens, like, you know, extra veins that might have been left behind with the butchering process or something like that that you don't want, especially if you're going to use these for guests. That looks pretty good on the underside. Let's go over with the Blazing Bird from Whiskey Bent Barbecue, Chad Ward. Oh boy. Flip these over. I'm not sure if that one's going to stay together or not. We shall see. Now let's get the top side with these Meat Church lemon pepper. Spread everything apart. Get in all the crevices. Get on that wing and underneath. Try to get it everywhere if you can. Under that leg. This is how we're going to do all these. Now we're going to go back over the top with the Blazing Bird. Make sure you coat everything again. Under those wings. Get under that leg, got to flip that leg up. That's going to be good. We're going to let that set up just a minute, and then we're going to hook them. Alright, I've hooked all of these 3, and I hooked them right under the wing. I'll show you how I'm doing this one. So I'm just finding that wing right there, that joint in that wing, and I'm coming from the back right up through there and coming up right between that joint right there, that wing. And that's holding it good, and that's how it's going to hang right there. So now let's fire up the pit barrel cooker and get these birds on. Alright guys, so we're firing up the pit barrel cooker. And what I did is I filled up the basket all the way to the top level. And then I removed about 25 or 30 briquettes and just put them in my barbecue chimney. Put a couple of tumbleweeds up under there, let those, and gave the chimney about 20 minutes just to get hot. And when the coals got ready, I went ahead and dumped them in to the regular charcoal basket with the other charcoal briquettes in there. What I'm using is the Kingsford Blue Professional. I'm not sure if that matters, but that's what they had at the store, so that's what we're going to be using. So as soon as that comes up to temperature, we're going to hook these birds and get them on. Alright guys, we're fixing to put these chickens on. Smoker's nice and hot. I got 2 chunks of oat. I'm going to throw in there. A little smoke. And we're going to hook these chickens. Hang them rather. Just like that. Get the lid on them and let them go. We'll give you an update here in a little bit. Alright guys, I just temped these chicken halves, and the breasts are already at 174, 175 degrees, somewhere in that area. So past doneness, I want to take them a little bit farther because I like taking chicken that have bones in them a little bit farther. But we're fixing to take them off now. The color on them, the smokiness is incredible on these. We put these on at 12:05, and right now it is 2:08, so 2 hours and 3 minutes cook time. Hopefully we can get these out without any major malfunction. Look at the juice coming out. Look at the juice. Golly. And once I put them on, I did absolutely nothing except let them cook. That's it. Beautiful color on them. I'm going to take them inside, probably tin them with some foil, let them rest for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll piece them apart and give it a taste test. See how we did. Alright guys, this chicken's been resting for about 20 minutes. Just to recap what we did, I had 2 whole chickens that I cut in halves and made half chickens out of. Seasoned them with Meat Church lemon pepper and Whiskey Bent Barbecue's Blazing Bird. Then we put them on the pit barrel cooker for 2 hours and about 3 minutes. I don't know what the temperature was of the grill because on the pit barrel cooker I don't monitor the temperature. That's one of the good things about it is you can just put them on, let them go, and there's no worries. Cooked them to about 176 degrees, 175 degrees internal temperature, and this is what you have. The moisture is incredible on these things. The color is incredible, and I've got to get a piece right here. Let's get some of this chicken right there, that piece of that leg. moist, juicy. Look at that. Nice smoke flavor. Not over smoked. Now I will say that the skin picks up more of the smoke than anything, and I don't really like it completely smoky, if that makes sense. But look at the color on that meat. Little smoke ring around the edge, and I've got to get a little bit of our barbecue sauce on there just to try it with that. Look at the color on the edge right there. Nice smoke. That's a ticket right there. That's amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you do, hit that bell so you get notified every time we put another video out. And until next time, we'll be piddling. See you guys.